city do ever sound like this again?
Yo! In the city, some guy belly down and drive out naturally. Yo! Wicked man from TG and Jungle Southside in a bungle. See if you want to also don't business who? We chill all a million crews, some guy believe it's one pop or two. Not a mercy. In the city make you wicked so. Bump down the might have him gone in a barrel. Not a mercy. Not a mercy. Well, in a city give fit for no perplex them go else a city and a nation we go down. You perplex them flex, make my go get flex. What? And boy should get catch. Disrespect and make me get wild. Come in a million in a city, no smile. Toxic killer from me back all. In a city, no smile. Toxic killer from me back all 100 mile. That's fear you matter, you daddy know you die. All of them are up on the dead man file.
Hey, no matter what kind of massacre, no skilly beg. Not now when I play can go around them all gun here. Remember, nothing. Drop it again.
Yeah. In the city, with a wicked man like Jordan and Mark and Block around and Danny and the Wally, we start kill our toy, we shoot the dolly. Some guy is up with Foley smoke coke. General B who smoke strictly Cali. Yeah. Wicked man from our boat guns out a guy like get dash out the road. People dead. In a city on the borderline. Big man kill ever with no polish, no shine. And we pump it on people at same time. Risk of Benji, not a mercy. In a city we got no child, logic no trying. Church disrespect we. Somebody lying in the dirt, kid me not talk. To kill his jungle, his work just up in there. Green farm try first, to me tell them blood. What kick that joke, try style me show. Who pulling up and telling me to the road. Macking it for a pound of your skull. Burst, big piece of food, and it tongue in a tea. Burst, little to them to your tongue, they so in a church. Football, and brother.
Hear about this go, hear about this go.
Well, now I know they choose. None of my time me don't talk and them want show. In that city, no street, no on the road. Eat up. And look at what tell them say. Engineer, don't do when they take in the school. Cause we get in that city while they're on the tour. Well, me tell them say no. Well, now I know they choose. None of my time me don't talk and them want show. In that city, no street, no on the road. Eat up with my vegetable, eat up with my fruit. But don't do them and we did not tap his throat. You call them and when you boil the wood roast. Tell them I come and a buckle and go. And tear off their pants and a pop up.
Hey, pull up, people. We say them all going up here and stop fire.
Yes, sir.
One old-time sound and some old-time tune. Give them some old-time kicking on them bomb buckler. So I want to ramp it. Eh? I ramp it. Drop this again.
If reality you want, let me hear you holler in the city. Mark and Danny Rich. Just run to request to Wally. Originally thinking about I'm a request version. Oh, you want? Run, no worry. If reality you want, let me hear you holler in the city. Mark and Danny, reality you. I said tribute to Selassie, I great empire. Rule the whole world and rule it entire. Selassie the greatest king. Welcome bout ever. Only thing we go on battlefield with him soldier Selassie. Raise him like peer lining and thunder. Hard falling off the bow in front of heavy Rasta. Rasta men now sit up with no warmonger. Who living in the city and about the Obia? Warmonger.
Hey, pull up, people. Big and serious. Every son and every engineer. Once them kill Mark Dragon. I don't know why. Yes, I say, them always want to kill the original foundation, but before they try to kill Mark Dragon, remember this.
And this decade no boy against them afraid, cause when them boy let them wicked, but them deserve first game. Didn't chat? I'm bust them at top of that laugh. Murder time in a city, good night to the people. Because it's murder time.
Remember this.
When every sound of a right to the sign is oh destiny. One get the matter. And in a city that's all madness. No partiality, switch. Go for the Uzi and the special and the clock them. And put them on the powder. City, cause when the sound like that, I hell and powder house. Them can't cross over. All on the pussy on the corner. I'm gonna me attack, gonna be easy.
Charlie Price, pussy on the corner. I'm gonna be a man, live in a city. I'm everybody, all them are real up, all of my jump up, all of my jump up, all of my fun. Walk up in a city, jump pussy off it.
Drag up to the next show. Hey, people. I got jump on next song right now. I say I show you. I'm not afraid to talk. I talk anywhere I go. And Mark Dragon play this anywhere in the world the first time. Anywhere in the world. At Chonia. Me responsible for putting at Chonia Road. 1992 Osaleo.
Dark United Crew on the lines too. Anyway, no respect, disrespect, in an aspect. Someone don't know who they might deal with them. Stop and check. No respect, disrespect, in every aspect.
Me say, me can bet you $1,000. 1992 Osaleo. Settlement of all argument in a city and Stone Love. The first $100 dance in a Jamaica ever. This drop on them bomb buckler in there, fuck up the place. People dead pass back, I watch it in a city. When you let the clock, no time at all, big up where the one, I go and get the water. Hey, some man shot glance to stop war sound in a cool out here. Your lunch. We just have build some sound, you know, you see. Lucky Line Crew, on the lines. Anyway. Oh, Speedy. No respect, disrespect, in an aspect. Someone don't know who they might deal with them, stop and check. No. Hey, Speedy. Speedy. I rate, you know, I rate Stir 5. But Stir 5 no say. Stir 5 no say. Stir 5, hold on, Stir 5 no say. Hold on, no. Oh, you know, you're a big star, no, so you have a call. But, you say a flashlight. Alright. Let me drop out to work tune and pull on the machine because I ain't tell me how far out from, so you know how far enough to go. So, yeah, we gotta drop one more song. Big up Father Tate, so we gotta drop one more song. Yesterday I said, but me a boy will prepare myself for the people. I'm not trust nobody. Who I trust? Me. So check out show them.
They will look funny myself and say, I tell them I'm going at them wicked. They will watch this. What does the boy? You choose. When I just shut up that time, I just see the man. What do they sing? I say you choose. When I just shut up that time, you see a man. What do they sing? And after that, the man cannot trust that. And after that,
we don't trust them.
And after that, the one in and trust that. And after that, just when the place are moving now. After that, just when the place are quiet now. After that, when I trust no girl in the park. After that, someone up with something like a man in a shop who you don't trust. And then just shut up that time. Well, I just stand and rush, you know. If you don't feel no man like that way, won't see more, you know. If you don't feel no wicked like that way, like this, you know. If you don't feel no man like that way, come up, you know. If you don't feel no, watch out. Listen up, boy, and chat, and I big up them chest. Both them young things and in a city can't test. I should be fake Marty, never ready yet to fit them left the past and with no disrespect city. Give them a screw and a ear and them take. I want to want that them and disrespect. But we keep them in them belly down, popping at them chest. In the left with the whip and certain maximum respect over we get. And it's a minimum, we not to accept. Punky your filter, we are to watch it. Not just a one. Be careful how you're walking a certain mind.
May I tell you, people, big up for yourself, you know. I remember, who I call my MacGyver can call my MacGyver. 17,800 watts, that's it. Father to you to the 100,000. How much record I play? 80,000. How much body did I play? 70,000. How much blue steel I play? 150,000. 17,800. Just sleep on that here. It's the drive. Right? So big respect to that. They're going to pull on the machine. I don't know. It's all about fun, you know. Because, you know, Dragon always bring a fun night thing, you know. Anytime Dragon touch your life, you know, friend teeth, you know, say, people are come out because of fun. No. Anything Mr. I going to do? Me do. Yeah.
All right, let's get out of here. It's raining.